This is the context within which my writing life began in Assam, and then I moved to Delhi. I continued my writing fully aware of the dangers of writing fiction. I had an autofictional writer at home who had refused to let her novel go into a second print. A novelist was gunned down, Parag Kumar Das, 5 minutes away from my home, and my favorite novelist had received death threats much before her book was published in print in 2005 and translated in 2006 to English. As a child, I didn't think writing lacked value. I realized early on that writing was dangerous and could kill people, simply because it was important and subversive. And most importantly, I saw myself as an Indian writer, as an Assamese writer, and without thinking much deeply about what those meant. Indian because I was born there, and Assamese because when the Republic Day parade took place in Delhi on 26 January, my whole family clapped when the entourage of Assam appeared on the streets of our small Philips black and white television with a concave lens-like screen. However, I was in for a rude shock in Delhi, as all of these ideas would be shaken into 2004 when I left Assam to study literature at Delhi University. There, as a 17-year-old still writing, I suffered an identity crisis of sorts. That identity crisis is also the story of Indian English writing that enables us to look at Anglophone writing from South Asia in new ways now.